Mama's kitchen. Let's cook. Add garlic paste in oil. Then add crushed tomatoes. Then mix it. Then add 1 TBSP red chili. Then add half teaspoon salt. Then mix it. Add 1 TBSP black pepper. Add 1 TBSP oyster sauce. Then add 1 TBSP peri sauce. Add 1 TBSP chili sauce. Add 1 TBSP vinegar. Add 1 TBSP soya sauce. Add 2 TBSP karahi masala. Add 2 TBSP chili garlic ketchup. Add 3 TBSP tomato ketchup. Add mayonnaise. Enjoy!